everyone, I'm Mai and welcome to my mellow life. I'd like to show you quickly and shortly how to for free make your shorts on YouTube or make TikTok or Instagram reels and stuff like that from your stream. Or this is how I do it. If there's an easier way, please let me know. So first, you'll just get DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a free edit program where you can download it. It's quite easy. So you go into your, first off, you gotta start a timeline. So I imported a video, a clip I wanted to make into a short. So I'll import it here. I'll change the project settings into 1080 by 1920. And it became short. So what I do, what might not be the best way to do it, I'll copy the video part and I'll drag it over it. The top one is going to be my webcam part because I don't want to listen to myself for now. I'll just mute the track. So what I'll do is I'll select the top layer, I'll zoom in, and I'll try to position my webcam all the way to the top because I think that's where it should be. So Y, and we'll get there. Alright, that's my webcam part. Should be in the edit part. So we can also add cropping and crop out this bottom part, uncrop from the bottom all the way to the webcam. So we have the webcam part done. Now we're gonna go to the scene part, to the actual clip. Again, you'll zoom all the way in. I know this is gonna be quite tedious. And then I'll just position it all the way to the bottom and try to fit it right in with the clip. And I'll try not to add any black bars. Okay. And that's it. We're gonna just unmute the track, add it into delivery, add it to the queue. You just add it into the queue file, add it into the location where you want it, render it all. What the? Hello? And that's it. The only thing like you could add in, like you can add in like some subtitles if you really want to. I think I'm quite audible, but I'm not sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe for the next videos to come. See ya.